Hi Big Sun, this is me again. We're doing another video because since our last video got messed up big time, we're here to do another one. So, yeah.
Watch this.
So watch this. Here we go.
Ready?
Almost.
Got it?
Yep. Here's my friend Micah, and she's gonna do a humongous wipeout. Oh, nice one! You left your other sled.
Now watch Sydney go.
Go, Sydney!
Nice one. Remember, you're awesome, Big Sun.